Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ring unlocked and your character meets equip level. Once done, collect enhancement ores and ascension materials so you won't stop mid-process. Open your inventory, find the Azure Obsidian Ring, and select Refine. This begins the actual progression. Make sure to allocate upgrade resources deliberately. Prioritize main stat increases that match your character's role. Don't waste resin on low-impact runs. Instead, craft or farm the specific materials listed in the ring's requirement screen to streamline upgrades. Now you perform the core upgrades. Feed enhancement fodder in level batches to avoid overflow and preserve materials. Once you hit ascension breakpoints, switch to the required ascension items and complete the ascension step to unlock higher level caps. While upgrading, periodically equip the ring and run a controlled combat trial to evaluate artifact synergy and substat gains so you can adjust future investment. When refining, choose stable stat priorities. If crit rate or energy recharge spikes, adapt your enhancement order accordingly. To finish, confirm the final refinement level and equip the Azure Obsidian Ring on your chosen character, then run a boss or domain test to measure DPS and utility changes. If results match expectations, lock your builds and redistribute remaining resources into artifacts or talents. If something goes wrong, like poor substat rolls or wrong main stat, stop additional spending, swap ring to a secondary character, and farm targeted ascension items. Alternatively, use fodder to raise levels while you plan a reroll path. This prevents wasted resources.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.